This is Grace. Hi, this is my factory Joyance. We are factory with Joyance 10 years experience. This is my company and we have Joyance installed. This is GTC 30 cleaning joints installed. And for joints very firm aluminum alloy including folding joints. Also aluminum alloy. This in a GPS, RTK antenna, camera and the obstacle avoidance reader. So it's very waterproof and durable, can at least work more than 6 years. And assembly the joints already workshop. And this joints assembled this GTC 10 is very small and easy to fly. Easy for repair. This is for inner GTC 30 inner, well designed and easy to repair. Plugs, easy to change. Okay, the stock. And I will show you the stock. Show you the sample room. This is the sample room. We also do agriculture joints 10 years already. This is GTC 30. This is 6 arms and max flight height 160 meters. It's very powerful. It's with the ground high pressure pump. So, okay, this purpose for protection. These 5 nozzles for solar panels. Obstacle radar, camera, RTK antenna. It can use 2 batteries at the same time. And this is model GTC 10. Okay, wardrobe is very light and under takeoff weight 25. Okay, and then I will show you the packing room. We have many joints ready to deliver every day. Let me show you. My company is very big. Doors. And here is the plans. Here's the many joints in stock ready to deliver. This joints for stock. This for Europe, Germany. He bought so many joints one time. Stock. This is for delivery. Aluminum case. This joints GTC 30 ready for delivery. This GTC 10 ready for delivery. Okay.